Want to change the display language on your MINI Countryman R60 from 2010 to 2015? This video provides a step-by-step guide to adjusting your system's language settings. Note that due to the car's age, updates are manual and limitations exist. This affects navigation, audio prompts, and on-screen text. Start by pressing the menu button on your center console. Then, navigate using the rotary dial and buttons to find settings. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your current language, so look for a gear or wrench icon. Ensure the vehicle is parked before proceeding. Within the Settings menu, scroll to find the Language option. It might be labeled as Sprache in German or a similar translation in other languages. Select this option to view the available languages. The available options will depend on the car's original region. Choose your desired language from the list. Options typically include English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. Once you select a language, confirm your choice. Note that changing the language might reset some user data or require a system restart to take full effect. If navigation icons don't update after changing the language, reset the system by holding the power button until it restarts. For 2010 to 2012 models, multilingual support may be limited, defaulting to English or German. If problems continue, check Mini Cooper forums for community help. The R60 system has several important limitations to keep in mind when changing languages. The system can only display one language at a time. You cannot have multiple languages active simultaneously. Changing the display language won't affect voice recognition commands or navigation maps. These components may need to be updated separately if needed. The language change is done manually through the vehicle's controls. Over-the-air updates are not available for the R60 model. Once changed, the language setting is permanent until you perform a system reset. Keep these limitations in mind when planning your language change. As older vehicles like the MINI R60 face infotainment obsolescence, staying informed about updates and future-proofing options becomes crucial for continued usability. Infotainment systems in older vehicles become outdated over time, losing compatibility with modern apps and features. This obsolescence affects navigation, connectivity, and user experience. To counter this, owners can pursue DIY modifications using community resources or opt for professional retrofitting that installs modern infotainment systems with better displays, connectivity, and language options. Community forums remain valuable for troubleshooting issues, sharing customization tips, and staying updated on new modifications. Regular engagement with these resources helps future-proof your vehicle's infotainment system. For those interested in technical aspects, understanding wiring and connections is crucial for successful modifications and ensuring compatibility.